For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Today, I want to focus on the first hour trading room. Let's talk about those flip tops and trap doors. I know a lot of you guys are in there for the first time, and you took advantage of that $7 offer. That's fantastic. I hope that what I can get you to do is focus on the trades in the room, see what the potential is, see how much money there is to be made in those sub-$10 stocks that Rick is so good at focusing everybody's attention on every single day. First one on the list is ARWR. This is Arrowhead Research Corporation. This is an example of how Rick and the guys manage their money on these sub-$10 trades. So we had 1,000 shares to the short side at $8.32. This one popped up on the proprietary scanner that we use, came up 2 standard deviations. We were looking for a fade down into this gap here. Rick and the guys called this live in the room. We had an $8.32 entry. It started moving lower. When it came back against us to $8.35, we closed out the trade on a trailing stop, minus $30. Trading's not all about winning. You know that. There's going to be winners. There's going to be losers. It's just, in the case of my boot camp guys, they are mostly going to be winners, especially when it comes to these sub-$10 stocks. Here we go. This is CLNE. This is Clean Energy Fuels. You saw this live in the room today, called well ahead of its trigger price. We were short 1,000 shares at $6.08. Closed it out at $5.97. That's at the target. Target on these is only about 10 cents. Remember, we're going to risk 3 cents. We're going to make 10 cents. 110 bucks on that trade for a profit. BBG. This one was a short at $9.86. Same thing. Came up on our scanner. Rick called it live in the room when it was trading all the way up inside this bar. He said if it gets down below that low, we are going to look to short it at $9.86. You had all the time in the world on this. By the time it was over, $9.71 got you out. Boom, another $150 winner on a sub-$10 stock. SSRI, Silver Standard Resources Incorporated. This one was on the long side. Rick called it as a $5.18 entry. $5.28 got us out. Another $100 trade on a sub-$10 stock. And then we had a long setup that was called as a discretionary trade. We had this one match up with most of our criteria. Didn't do the mathematical gap that we normally look for, but look at this. We kept a very tight leash on this one because of that, and it was 1,000 shares in at $4.17, out at $4.22 when it reversed. Quick $50 profit on the trade. That's $380 today in the first hour of trading on sub-$10 stocks, following some very, very simple instructions. A lot of you in the room have loved this. A lot of you are taking Rick up on that offer to call him and talk about what exactly we're doing in there. I recommend you do it. Not very often somebody's going to give you their phone number. We do it all the time. You can call us and ask about what it is that we're doing in the room or how to handle those trades, and we are always happy to talk to you. Then, if that wasn't enough action for you, we had Alibaba. I was calling these live in the room today right from the Scalper Trading Plan. If you paid the $7 and you are on the trial to the room, you've got access to this plan. You should have had it right in front of you this morning. Our first planned entry was down here at $84.98. We had a move down to $84.73. That was an instant 20-cent per share profit. And that's not even counting the discretionary trades that we looked at starting up here at $85.41 down to $84.98. Once we hit that $84.73 level, our call to the guys in the room was start trailing stops, $84.73 down to $84.41, another profit target. Now, if you didn't get that one, don't worry about it, because what did we have? Before you knew it, another opportunity, $84.41 down to $84.17. We called it live. Plenty of guys in the room said they got it. Reese, man, I know you had it today. Great for you. Ken, fantastic. Rick, unfortunately, missed it because he was talking to somebody else, but another 40 cents per share outside of this one trade where if you trailed stops, you managed to pick up another 32 cents per share. This is all on the Scalper Trading Plan. You had it in front of you before the market opened. You knew exactly what the levels were that we were going to scalp. You knew exactly what to do. And if you went to the boot camp, you know exactly how to handle the profit extensions that happen on the way down and how to set up those trailing stops so that they don't wind up working against you. So that's it. That is Monday, April 13th, 2015 in the First Hour Trading Room. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you are having a great trading day today. I hope you have an even better one on deck for tomorrow. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.